Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how do I copy and paste a table from Chatgpt to Word without it losing its formatting. So, let's get started. Start by logging into Chatgpt and generating the table you'd like to copy. Once it's ready, highlight only the content of the table, then right-click and select Copy. Next, open Microsoft Excel and right-click on the desired cell where you want to paste the table. From the Paste options, select Match Destination Formatting. This step ensures the table fits properly. Adjust the cells as needed to fit the text properly within Excel. Now, copy the table from Excel, then open Microsoft Word. Right-click where you want to paste the table and choose Use Destination Formatting from the Paste options. This keeps the table formatting spot on, just the way you want it. And that's it, a perfectly formatted table in Microsoft Word thanks to this simple trick. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.